Is Chanel mad at Longchamp? A few videos ago, I discussed both of these pieces and I asked you all if you were interested in a comparison of these two items over here, and I was very surprised by the response. So I am going to do that for you guys now. So we are going to be discussing the free Chanel knitted handbag from the Factory 5 versus the Longchamp FILET bag. So let's get started. So I did detail me purchasing both of these bags on the exact same day. I have to be really honest, you guys, when Chanel gifted this piece with, you know, the Factory 5 collection, my immediate thought was, is Chanel mad at Longchamp? Because they're giving this one away for free. And this one cost about $100. I believe it was $95. I think it's still $95. But if not, I'll go ahead and note the price over here. So I did receive this one first. And so I was really excited with this one. It has the Made in France marking right there. And this one is also made in France. But like I said, when I don't know if it was, you know, like psychologically, if it was because this one was free and it's Chanel, I was just like, I can't believe I paid for this. And so this one has gone unused since I purchased it last year. And this one, I've even said I've kind of kept it in the car with all of my beach items, my blankets and stuff like that. And it's been a joy to wear this one. Is it anything remarkable or anything like that? No, I will say obviously, you know, the obvious differences between the two is the leather that is attached on this item here. This bag looks really cool with a really cool outfit. It's really, really cute. And you can use a scarf on it. I'm sure you can use a scarf on this one. It's just, I don't know. I see them like two different bags, which sounds absurd when I'm holding them both together, but I will go ahead and change vantage points to demonstrate differences between them and what I carry in this one. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer what I have in here into this one so you guys see kind of like my thought process, why I actually do think that they're both very, very different. You can tell here that this Chanel version holds a lot of stuff. I mentioned, I think in my previous video, that it was because it doesn't have this leather feature here, which is the appeal of this version over here. However, not having it does make it a lot more functional for what I wanted to use it. So let's get into what I have in here, and I'm going to go ahead and try and put the stuff that I have in here in there just so you can see what I mean. So here I have a towel. I have SPF. I have two different SPFs. I also have my Chanel water bottle, and I have this blanket over here that I use for the beach. And I did get this on Amazon, and I talked about it in a previous video. I will go ahead and link them down below just because I want an Hermes one, but I know for a fact that I wouldn't use the Hermes one to go to the beach. So I think that this is a good way to get the look that you want, but obviously not wreck something so expensive. So I have a third SPF and hand sanitizer. I also tend to carry two additional drinks in here. I carry a metal one and my Starbucks clear one. So I tend to have this size drink holder in here, and I'm able to carry all of that in here. So here they are side by side. This one seems to have a bit of a different shape. Again, I think it has to do with this tends to give it this curve, but they're the same size, but I do think that it's the leather attachment that gives it that a little bulbous look at the bottom. And this one is just straight without that. But they are definitely the exact same size. So just to demonstrate, the blanket does fit in here, which I'm surprised. I really thought that it wouldn't, but then you can't really use these handles. So you could just use these, which is what you end up doing with the Chanel one. These become a bit obsolete if you use it in the same manner as this one. I think that it is going to fit everything else. I am surprised that it does fit. So I definitely stand corrected, you guys. This one over here does fit everything that I had in the Chanel bag. And the plus side to that is that obviously this could be used for the beach, but when you're not using it for the beach, it's a great little day bag as well because of the handles. So I'm not gonna lie though, I still prefer the Chanel one just because it doesn't have the handles for the purpose that I use it. But I think, or I know, that if the Chanel one never would have come out, I would probably be using this one. And just to demonstrate, I got all of my SPFs in there and my water bottle. The exact same size, you guys. Maybe the Longchamp is an inch longer, but I don't think that makes a difference at all in function. But that is it, you guys. I really do hope that you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, or if there's something that I didn't show that you wanted to see, go ahead and let me know, and maybe I can add it to my Insta story. So that is it for today. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.